Activenus is a powerful, multi-purpose mobile app that can bring simplicity and convenience to students in NUS. An all-in-one feature-rich application designed for NUS smartphone users to make searches, reservation, borrowing, reminders, and many more. Activenus has the following key integrated features as shown in this poster. Such features include temperature taking and keeping track of real-time shuttle bus timings so that students will be able to navigate around the school compound safely, easily, and seamlessly. In addition, the app allows for the checking and borrowing of available books across faculties as well as sports facilities and classroom amenities so that students can easily and conveniently access school resources. Lastly, there's a reminder feature where students are able to keep track of lesson and exam timing, venues, submission deadlines, etc. for students to keep timely track of important and urgent issues.
At the home page, users can click on the health declaration icon to declare their temperature twice a day, AM and PM respectively. After clicking, users can swipe to adjust their temperature or manually key in their temperature. Once they are done, they can click on submit and it will show that their temperature has been successfully recorded. They can also click on history to see the past temperatures they have declared, either AM or PM. If they are having a fever with temperature above 37.6, the remarks section will indicate above normal temperature. Each bus stop will show the distance it is away from the users, and nearest bus stops will be shown first. In addition, at each bus stop in NUS, users can click and see which buses are available at that particular bus stop. So, for instance, when users click on opposite Yusof Ishak House, they are able to see that buses A2, D1, and B1 are available, and their respective bus timings are shown for the subsequent 3 buses that are arriving at this stop. When users press refresh, the bus timings will be updated at real time.
For sports facilities, when users click inside, there are 4 sports, namely badminton, squash, table tennis, and tennis available for reservations. If users click in badminton, there are 2 locations available, Utah Sports Hall 1 and Cambridge MPSH 5. When users click inside Utah, slots within the next 2 weeks will be available for booking. If let's say a user want to book for next Monday, 26th of July, the user just have to click on that date and press view slots. Those in green are available while red means unavailable. There are 3 courts available for booking, court 20, 21 and 22. If users want to book 11 AM for court 22, users just click on it and the confirmation will be shown, and then press yes to proceed to book. Thereafter, there will be a pop-up that shows that it has been successfully booked. Then they can check their booking history by going back and clicking on view bookings, which will show the venue, date, time, and court number. Similarly, for learning facilities, there are currently 3 locations, ERC, SRC, and Town Plaza. If user click into, say, Town Plaza, the list of venues available are shown, and the process of booking is similar to sports facilities. The next feature is borrowing of books. Users click on Browse, and if they want to borrow a book titled Java Network Programming, they click on the search for it. When they search Java, all books with Java in their title will appear, and they click on the one they want and the book details will be shown. The authors and contributors, book description, as well as additional details. If they want to see the book description, they press show and the description will appear. Now, press borrow to borrow the book. The app will show the list of locations users can borrow from, as well as the number of copies available now, which is 5 for Central Library. So let's say user click on Central Library and a pop-up will appear and we press yes to borrow. Then another pop-up will appear and it will remind users of the date they need to return by. Thereafter, they can check our loan history by clicking on Book Loans. They are allowed to extend the book by 14 days for a maximum of once per book. And if they try to extend again for the same book, there will be an error pop-up message as follows. Once they return the book, they press on return and have to key in the code. For demonstration purposes, we set it to be the password 123456. This will ensure that users actually return the book to the library. The last feature is the reminder function. Users are given the option to turn on their notifications in settings. So you'll click on notifications and allow notifications. So we go back to the app, after which users can add reminders using the green plus sign icon. After clicking on it, users are given the following options to write their reminders. For example, if users have a CS 2030 assignment due next Monday at 10 AM, they can set the title CS 2030 assignment, and the message will be due for submission on Luminous as follows. Thereafter, they are given the option to select the frequency of the message, either once, daily, or weekly. Users are also allowed to select the date and time they want to be notified of the message. After adding the reminder, it will appear on the reminder page. As seen, the notification appears as push notification at the stipulated date and time, which is Monday, 26 July at 10 AM. Now let's go back to our app. Users are also able to update the reminder by swiping left on it and clicking on the yellow icon. So we can update our message due on submission on Monday. Then we change the frequency to weekly on every Monday. So update and it will reflect accordingly. So the users can also delete the reminder by clicking on delete and pressing yes. This is the end. Thank you very much.